Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Arum Saputri Sinaga, just call me Ridha, and this opportunity we're going to talk about merge sort. In this script there are Arum Saputri Sinaga, Ghifari, Thufail, Arkan, Hidayat, and also Surya Bagaskara. In this opportunity we're going to talk about history of merge, definition, method, source code, advantage, and also difference between Java and C++ in merge sort. First of all, we're going to talk about history of merge sort. The merge sort method is an advanced sorting method, the same quick sort method. This method also uses the concept of divide and conquer, which divide as data into two groups, namely S1 and also S2, that doesn't intersect. The data sharing process is carried out in a recursive until the data cannot be subdivided, or in other words, the data in subsection becomes single. After the data can be shared anymore, the merging process between subsection by paying attention to the order of the data ascending small to large or descending large to small. This merge process is done until all data is joined and sorted in the desired order complexity of merge sort algorithm. And after that, the definition of merge sort. Merge sort is a sort done by merge technique of two arrays into new array. The merge sort algorithm divides the table into two equally large tables. Each table is recursively sorted and then combined to form a sorted table. The basic implementation of the merge sort algorithm uses three tables: two to store elements from tables that have been divided by 2 and 1 to store the sorted elements. But this algorithm can also be done directly onto tables, this saving the space of memory needed. And after that, we have advantage of merge sort. It's very efficient because each list is always divided into smaller lists, then merge again, so there is no need to do many comparisons. And after this, Ghifari, Thufail, Arkan, Hidayat will talk about it. Thank you.
Now I want to tell you about the method of merge sort. The first time the array was divided into two parts, 394 and 152. The two arrays are then sorted separately so that they become 349 and 125. A new array is formed which is a merger of the two array 1, while the value is each array 349 and 25. The value of 1 in the second array element has been moved to the new array. The next step is the merging of each array into a new previously created array. And this is a shortcut in the life is Java, and this is from C++. And this is the result from the source code. Now I want to tell you about difference between Java and C++. An array with integers 10, 6, 8, 5, 7, 3, 4 is found on line 16. On line 18, there is a for loop with a function to display array value. On line 27, you will see a loop with a function for displaying sort array value. Then there is a statement on line 41 that reads middle, low plus height divide 2 to definitely the middle point, to identify which value are less than the midpoint and which are more than the midway in the declaration on line 42 and 43. A while loop is used on line 46 to look for low and high value. The value while the program is run. With 48, the result is low if the number of elements in the low array is smaller than the number of items in the star_height array. A loop to find a height value is found on line 55.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Surya Bagaskara and I will continue what this Ghifari was presenting. On line 7 there is a branch with declaration. Merge sort, low mid to get the low value. Merge sort mid plus 1. High is to get the high value. To combine low and high value, use merge low, mid, high. There is an if-else on line 20 with the goal of presenting a low value. An if-else is present on line 28 with the goal of presenting a high value. On line 38 there is a for loop that combines low and high number. Line 47 we tell the program how many values we want to sort when it runs. Then at line 51 input the values that correspond to the number on line 47. On line 60 there is a for loop that I'll show the values that have been sorted. Okay, the difference between Java and C++. If we enter numbers in Java but not in C++, we enter number after the program has run. This allows us to use more varied number in C++ program. Though it does have the advantage that in Java there is only one while if else on line 46 and 48, whereas in C++ we can find more than one loop and if else on line 19, 29, 34, 38 and 20, 28, 33. The source code in Java is easier in our perspective since we only use one loop, whereas in C++ there is loop repetition in terms of line, which is less in Java than in C++. Okay, I think it's enough. Thank you.